Complete the box in this expression. We have 9ab divided by 6ak is equals to 3b divided by box. Now, for us to complete the expression inside the box, we map numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Before you can get the unknown, you use the two mapped none. The two mapped none. And if you look at the numerator in the left hand side, you can see here, numerator is given here, and also numerator is also given here. So since we have the two numerators, we are going to use these two to get our multiplier. So we use the none to get the unknowns. So in this case, what do we have? Multiplier. Multiplier. Now look at, this is the initial form and this is the new form. Initial, new form. So in that case, we have the new form divided by the initial one, which is 9ab. Now looking at what we have here, we can see that here b will cancel b. b here 1, b here 1. And here also, what do we have? 3 here 1, 3 here, we have what? 3. So what do we have? This is 1 divided by 3a. That is the multiplier. So in that case, what will be in the box? So the box is going to be what? We are going to have 6ak multiplied by what? 1 divided by 3a. So a here 1, a here is what? 1. 3 here 1, 3 here, what do we have? 2. So in that case, we have 2 times k, that is 2k, times 1. So we have 2k in the box. So you can see we have 2k here. So that is the final answer. Thank you.